Children, linear equations. Now, in the term linear, there is a hidden term. And the hidden term is line. The hidden term is line. And when we talk of linear equation, it can be broken in two terms, divided in two terms, linear and equation. Linear means the degree of equation will be, what will be the degree of equation, children, for linear?
One.
Degree is 1. Equation, whenever you have equal to sign, it gives you the feeling of equation. So when we equate two polynomials, when we equate two linear polynomials, what we get is a linear equation. For example, children, x plus y. Is it a linear polynomial in two variables? It's a linear variable.
Yes,
Degree is what? Linear polynomial in two variables. And if I equate it to another polynomial, let's say 5. 5 is a constant polynomial. So when I am equating one polynomial to another polynomial, what I get is a linear equation. What I get is a linear equation. Now, in the term linear, there is a hidden term line. There is a hidden term line. Line is a straight path. It could be this. Any straight path is a line. These all are the examples of straight path lines. So here linear equation means line. Hidden term is line. So in this chapter, children, we shall learn sorry, how to express any linear equation in the form of a straight line in xy plane. Any linear equation can be represented as a straight line in xy plane. And that is what we are going to learn in this chapter. That is what we are going to learn in this chapter. That every linear equation can be represented as a straight line. How? That is what we are going to learn. Okay. Are you with me, children? For example, let us see.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I am given this example, x plus y is equal to 5. I am given this only. And I want to express this in xy plane as a straight line. So for representing anything in xy plane, do we need coordinates, children? We need to have coordinates with us,
Yes,
then only
ma'am.
the problem. Better. So here, what we are going to do is, we are going to make a table of values. It should be made on the graph paper itself. Minimum 3 values we are going to find. X plus y is equal to 5. Student, let us take any 3 values of x and corresponding find any 3 values of y such that their sum remains 5. For example, if I take x equal to 1, what will be y?
4.
So that 4. So that their sum is 5. If I take x equal to 3, what should be y?
2.
Suppose I take x equal to 0, what should be y?
5.
Now, children, these are the 3 values which I took in my mind. I gave you 3 values of x and then you gave me 3 values of y. But children, suppose 50 of us are working at different places. Actually, we all are at different place. You are at your place, I am at my place. If I say, children, think of any 3 values of x and calculate 3 values of y. So we can have how many different values, beta?
50. 40.
50 into 3, 150. Some may be repeating also. हो सकता है मेरे mind में 1 आए, आपके mind में भी 1 आए. But children, suppose there are 5,000 children. There are infinite children in the world. Everybody is finding 3333 values. So what I mean to ask you is that, is there any limit to the table values or we can have infinite values?
Ma'am, infinite values.
Infinite values. We can have infinite values of x and
Infinite
y.
value.
And children, the best part is, no matter which three values you are taking, you will find its position in XY plane will be unique. अगर आपकी line यूं आएगी, तो मेरे graph की line भी this way ही आएगी, no matter which three values I took. It is an interesting part. Let us see how we are going to plot these three values. Let us just see that. Let me first mark equal graphs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2. I don't need minus, so I am not marking much. 1, 4. On x-axis 1. On x-axis 1. On y-axis, which one?
4.
4.
4.
Please do write the coordinates. Children, put a dot, write the coordinates. It's 1, 4. 3, 2. X3, Y2. Will it be here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
X0, X0, 5.
5.
So, let us make a straight line. Now, with the help of a scale, we are going to make a straight line. Suppose this is my scale. So, make a straight line. And the line should not start and end at the points. It should be extended. Wherever it can go, it should be extended. Okay? Here also. And either on the two ends, you will write the equation. Did you see, children? That we were given an equation x plus y is equal to 5, a linear equation. Linear has a hidden term line in it. And how beautifully we expressed it as a line in the XY graph. See, beta? And suppose, children, you are taking any other three values of x and y other than this. Plot it in your graph. You will again find that line is coming out like this only. Line is coming out like this only. Okay?
Ma'am, if we took negative digit,
Then also let us try it out. Let's see which one you want to take, Bolo. I'll take that.
ma'am, minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 and minus 2.
Chalo, I have taken x as -3. Now, if I take x as -3, what should we find?
-2.
Minus 2.
-2.
No. From here, y is 5 minus x. Right? So it is 5 minus and x we have taken minus. Minus, minus. Y has to be plus 8. -3 plus 8 hoga beta tabhi to it will become 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. So now you take x as -3. -3 will be somewhere here. है ना? और मुझे 8 चाहिए on y axis. So let me just extend it. So this will be 6, 7, 8. Now where will be -3, 8? -3, 8. Do you believe when I increase this line, it will pass through this point also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So no matter which points you
ma'am.
are taking, the equation will be a unique equation. Unique means one of its own kind. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोमल का equation ऐसे आ जाएगा, David का will come this way. No, you will see all the graphs will be exactly same, provided your calculations of the table are correct. Your calculations of the table are correct. Is it clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
every point on this line, is called solution of the equation. What do we call it?
Solution.
Solution of the equation.
Solution of the equation.
X comma y. This is called ordered pair. We have done in coordinate geometry. ये जो ordered pair है x comma y. This is solution of the given equation. And we just discussed how many solutions of an equation are possible. How many such values are possible? Infinite. And also, let us now relate it beautifully to the geometry. When you define line, you say collection of infinite points in the straight path. A line has how many points on it?
No, 4.
Infinite. बेटा 4 तो हमने plot करने के लिए लिए ना.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
otherwise, geometry पे आ जाओ and you define line. You say na so many points are there to make a straight line. There are so many points, infinite points.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So each infinite, so each of those infinite points is a solution of the equation. वो उस equation का क्या बोलेंगे हम? What is the term we are going to use? What is the vocabulary we are going to use? We will use the vocabulary solution. Are you with me, children? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So just keep in mind linear equation. Linear equation means when you equate two linear polynomials, what you get is called an equation. And keep in mind linear. The hidden term over here is in linear line. So every linear equation can be represented as a straight line in XY graph. And there can be infinite possible points, ordered pair satisfying the given equation. And all those ordered pair are known as what?
Solution of
Solution
equation.
Solution of equation.
Are you with me, children? Are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, children, there is a term called standard form of an equation. Standard form of an equation. Right? We write it as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is a standard form. But usually, children, you must have seen we write it like this. Because this looks more presentable, more comfortable to us. Right? It looks more comfortable. Suppose this is the equation given to me and I want to put it in the standard form. How I am going to write it? I will bring 7 this side. When I bring 7 this side, what will it become?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 7.
Minus.
But this standard form says मुझे 2 plus चाहिए. Give me my 2 plus. This is not valid. I will not give you entry in my house unless and until you give me 2 plus. So I am also smart. You want 2 plus? Take 2 plus. Children, do we know that this can also mean this? Because plus
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
will get.
Yes.
ठीक है भाई, I am bringing
Yes,
negative number to your house. I am a guest. I am coming to your house with the negative 7. And then you are standing there at the gate with your guard. I will not let you enter unless you will show me 2 positive signs. ठीक है? You want 2 positive sign? I am smarter than you. I am changing my I'm hiding my negative in the bracket. छुपा लिया मैंने उसको. And I am presenting plus to you. Because I know if I am hiding minus 7, it is not affecting its identity. It will still remain negative. Right, beta?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So my purpose is solved. I have taken care of my negative number. मैंने उसको ब्रैकेट में छुपा दिया. गार्ड भी खुश. भाई इसके पास 2 प्लस है. आने दो. Getting my point? Getting my point, children?
Ma'am.
Yes. And now if we compare If we compare these two equations, what is the value of A?
2.
2.
A is coefficient of X. What is the value of B?
3.
3.
And what is the value of C?
-7.
-7.
Okay? Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is how we define standard form of an equation. That is how we define standard form of an equation.
Equation.
Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Take all cheese. I want to explain you. We just discussed that every equation has an infinite solution, right? Suppose I'm talking to this equation, x plus y is equal to 5, and I'm asking you, children, if 0, 3 is a solution. Check if 0, 3 is a solution. Now, 0, 3 will be a solution if it is going to satisfy it. Understand this term. Satisfy. Satisfying means LHS should be equal to RHS. If on putting this value, LHS is equal to RHS, that is, if this 0, 3 satisfying the given equation, it will be a solution, otherwise not. Otherwise not. Tell me, children,
No.
will 0, 3 satisfy this? 0
No.
means
No, ma'am.
को 0 करना है, y को
3.
what is 0 plus 3?
3.
3.
Which is not equal to 5.
Equal to
5.
Not equal to 5. So is it a solution?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So we
Not
need to
solution.
simply write a term. We need to simply write a statement. 0, 3 does not satisfy the equation. Does not satisfy the equation. Satisfy means LHS is not equal to RHS.
RHS.
Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.